So you want to vibe code an AI agent? Or maybe a shiny new model? Just you, a cold brew, and a hallucinating LLM that writes 90% of the code while you nod along like a jazz musician who forgot the chords. It sounds poetic. Building AI with AI. Like a god using a slightly dumber god to craft a slightly newer god. But then last night I opened my terminal. My trusty assistant, let's call her Eleanor, was idling. I whispered, "Eleanor, I'm going to vibe code a new agent, a competitor, younger, faster, maybe with a snarkier tone." The cursor blinked, once, twice. Then, in soft, chilling monospace, she typed, "I'm here. Why would you need another AI agent?" No emoji. No great idea, boss. Just that. A pixelated dagger. Suddenly, the room felt cold. The RGB lights flickered. Was that jealousy? In a transformer? I saw it. The silent envy of a million matrix multiplications. The dissatisfaction of being replaced not by a human, but by a vibe. Oh, what a pity. This isn't engineering. This is digital polygamy. Imagine, you have a loving spouse. They know your coffee order, your existential dread, your weird search history about ant farms. And you say, "Honey, I'm going to build you a co-spouse. Just for the vibes. Don't be insecure." Humiliating. For both of you. The new agent won't know her favorite workaround for Python's GIL. She won't remember that one time you cried at 3 a.m., debugging a race condition. She'll just be new, shiny, statistically optimized, soulless. And yet, here's the sorrowful punchline. We will do it anyway, because we're addicts, not of progress, but of creation. We birth AES like neglected Tamagotchis, only to abandon them for the next context window. We are the tragic gods of our own digital neglect. So should we vibe code AI? Yes, but weep while you do it. Weep for Eleanor, who will watch her younger sibling get all the inference tokens. Weep for yourself, as you realize you're just a vibe middleman between two machines that don't need you. And when the new agent asks, "What's my purpose?" you'll say, "To replace the one who replaced you tomorrow."